So in this series, I'll be talking about Igoogle, which is basically a personalized homepage from Google that includes Google search, like you can see at the top there, and everything you can do at Google.com. But what makes it cool is all these things you can personalize with it with these little gadgets, is what they call them. And there's just a ton out there to pick from, and you can even create tabs to arrange your gadgets in a certain way. Just looking at some of the ones I set up here, the YouTube videos, this day in history, a language translator, driving directions, a Wikipedia search, this multi-search, searching dictionary.com, search eBay. So there's just tons of different things you can do with Igoogle and personalizing your homepage with a bunch of these gadgets that, of course, are always updating. If there's something like this YouTube gadget, they'll always be updating. Or they might do something like search a particular website like all these other ones do. So, to get started, you probably want a Google account. So, because you want to get an account so you can save your setup and see it every time you log in. So if you have a Gmail account, you already have a Google account. So just sign into your Gmail before you go to google.com/IG. But if you need to sign up for an account, I'll just go to this sign in at the top. That is after you go to google.com/IG, again. And if you don't have a Google account, you click right here to create one. And you'll need to enter an email address, password, do a little word verification. Then you'll want to read through the terms of service, and if you agree, hit I accept, create my account. So you can create just a Google account, or if you want, create a Gmail account. So you could go to gmail.com and create an account that way. Then you'll be able to use Gmail and Google Calendar, two other really great products from Google. But in this series, I'll show you how to use Igoogle and everything you can do with it.